people compare me to Tony. Some people like will hurl mean things.
Okay, this one is the last question. Ito ay nanggaling
Yes.
kay Miles. Wala siyang moniker.
Ay, wala
Sabi
nang
niya, ay,
moniker.
Yes.
Sige, ang taong walang moniker, Miles. Sino moniker niya?
Ang
Okay,
moniker
itong
ni
kanya.
Makina ng Monica.
Ang minikaniko ni moniker. Gana.
Miles, pasensya ka na. Nalaro
Sorry,
pa ng
Miles.
mga to.
Sorry.
Okay, ito.
Sorry.
Ito medyo ano to ah. What was it like for you when the main hosting duties of PBB were turned over to you after Tony G left?
Ay, medyo
Actually,
ano
what it
yan.
feels like, what it felt like then, still feels the same way now, to be honest. Na I am still incredibly pressured. Sobra. Kasi,
Talaga?
imagine, 16-ish years,
Yeah.
yung tonality ng spills, tonality ng voice over, lalong-lalo na the iconic Hello Philippines, Hello World.
Correct.
Correct.
Parang yun na yung naka-ingrain sa mamamayang Pilipino. And so, how do you even begin to say that? So, mula noon hanggang ngayon, super, super pressure. Actually, trivia, when that happened, siguro mga a few months, maybe like, maybe like mga 4 weeks, nailaban ko, I really told our bosses, sabi ko, I don't think I can say Hello Philippines, Hello World because that's so, like when you hear it until now, it's Tony's
Yeah.
voice that you hear eh.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
sabi ko, I can't. Let's just say magandang gabi ka pamilya. Let's just say hello ka pamilya. Kasi sabi
Gawa
ko
tayo ng
nga,
bago. Parang ganon.
how? Oo. And then, I remember a few weeks after, they told me that, Bianca, that's the line of the show.
Correct.
So, we'll have to put it back. So, syempre, as a good soldier, naghanap na lang ako ng, I guess, tonality
Yeah.
na parang I could call it mine. Kasi I definitely can't do anything the way Tony does it because only
Yeah.
she can do the iconic deliveries
Truly
that
naman.
she has
Correct.
done. So we did it in the little things like in the way the nomination or the eviction was structured.
Yeah.
Si Tony naman did yung sa aking pagbabalik. Very, very Tony yon. So, hindi na namin tinuloy yon kasi parang that's so tatak Tony na eh. Oo. So,
Yeah.
there were little things that kumbaga we didn't wanna touch. Or ako personally,
Yeah.
sabi ko na parang ano na yan eh. She owns that and
Established
so,
na yan.
ano siya, pressure siya until now. But actually, a lot of people are surprised to realize that the only seasons that I got to host na buo na parang as the lead, as the ate, is only Gen 11 and collab. Yun pa lang. People think na parang ang daming seasons ko nang na-host na ako.
Oo nga eh.
But Tony left middle of community.
Yeah.
Community.
Pandemic.
2020.
Oo.
Yeah.
2022.
21? 22 ba yun? Okay, 2022.
Yes, 2022.
Correct.
So it's the middle of community.
Ay, oo, okay.
So she
Yeah,
still
yeah.
hosted more than half of community. And then kami na lang yung nagtuloy. But the only one that I really was like the ate of the pamilya ni Kuya was just Gen 11 and
Yeah.
collab. So
Gen 11, si Nafiang na yun, no? TB.
yes.
Tama,
So
no?
sobrang
Yung last
recent pa lang
meeting,
talaga. Yeah. So
Correct,
everything
correct.
is still
Tama ka. Oo.
very, very new.
Yeah. Pero you're doing such a great job, Ate B. As in,
Correct.
Grabe
Correct.
naman.
If
Salamat
kailangan
naman.
mo marinig to from the fans of the show,
From us.
you are doing
Hindi,
a
from
great
us.
job.
Kailangan mo rin from from us. Kala mo lang.
Feeling ko nga ngayon nasa nomination night ako. Nakikita
Na naka-inset.
Nasa eviction
Oo.
room. Nasa eviction room na kami, Ate B. Yung ilaw lighting namin, mamamatay na yun mamaya.
Actually, see things like that. Like those were things that I actively deliberated with our creatives.